Hello guys, welcome to C's Creation, and I am here to share with you the reveal of the Rebuilding Your Stash collaboration swap, and my swap partner was Faresha. She is FVA Nails and More here on YouTube. This is the package it came in. And I'm just going to take everything out. I just don't want to show you our addresses. Excuse me, guys. So, I'm going to start off with, okay, these are the tiny embellishments. You see you have these hearts with the flowers, little lace. Oh, I like these. They're so cute, and I love the fact that she added a lot of my favorite colors, which is the blues, the golds, and the pinks. So I absolutely love that. This one says Keeper, and this has gold butterflies. That is so pretty. It says Smile. Another gold butterfly here. Couldn't tell you the size of these hearts, guys. I think this is like an inch or inch and a half, and this may be a half of an inch here, and the blue one here. So pretty. They're so gorgeous. And then you have these mini envelopes here with the butterflies. They are so freaking cute. And it says happiness here, good life, rise above, and so much fun. Isn't that cute, guys? And this is her topper for this bag. She had this beautiful lace. Love that lace. And, yeah, this is some washi. And then she added this bling here. So, focus. She added the bling, and she added this flower. I don't know, excuse me, guys. I don't know if she, made this flower, or she, whatnot, but I think she did. And then she layered it, and she has the green back in the back. So, yeah, she added this for topper. That is so cute. Okay, and she added these embellishments here, this flower and this butterfly. How freaking cute is that in two colors? That is cute. Thank you so much, Faresha. Okay, and then you have some more embellishments here. Oh, this is the... Okay, I don't know if she used a die with this, but this is the file folder, mini file folder. It says "Own Your Own Story," and she has this beautiful lace. Let me take this out of the pack, guys. Let's see. So let me show you. This is the topper. Again, she added this some pretty lace and these bows here. Now look at these. Look at these. You know, and it says "Live This Life." She has this resin flower here, and you have this lace crochet trim there. Let me see if I can dim the light. Okay, crocheted trim there, and here you have your own story. The file folder doesn't open, but she added this flower here. How cute is that? The same crocheted ribbon and some pearls. On the other side, you have this lace trim here, and you have create art, and this bow, this cute pink bow, and this flower here. And here you have a yellow flower with the white bow in the back, and it says "You're amazing." Sorry about that. It says "You're amazing." I mean, amazing, not "You're amazing," but amazing. So that is so cute. So, oh my gosh, she did many fans, guys. So for this topper, she added some lace, and then she added this flower here, and she did one in yellow, white, latte brown, pink, and she had this navy blue with the pink, this hot pink with the white, this white with the cream with the yellow, and this two-tone flower here with this latte color. That is so freaking cute. Okay, and her clothespins. She decided to clips. I mean, clothespins just like I did. And this is her packaging for these clothespins. Aren't they cute? Look, that's a little diamond, I think, right there. She added a little bow. She had this gorgeous paper, this washi, and that's some trim. Let me, sorry guys, take it out so you all can see. So, yeah, she wrapped it with twine, as you can see on the edge. She painted it black, and then she added everything here. Lucky right here. Oh, I need to glue that back on. And then she added the green bows. That is pretty. And then here she added some paper. I don't know if this is paper washi, but I absolutely love it. She added these flat back gems here. And this is more of a cream color. She added this blue here. These blue bows. These are so cute. Absolutely love it. Okay, so let me sit this over here. And now you have her rosettes. Okay, her rosette says "So Warm" with this pink gem. This one says "Good Job." And that's a butterfly there. And here's another butterfly that says "Hooray." Oh, I like these rosettes. This one says "Always" with the white and green butterfly. Pretty, and I think she said those were Tim Holtz dyes that she used for the rosettes. And for her flowers, she made these flowers. Now, I don't remember the dye that she used for these flowers, but as you can see, you have one in the mint green, white, yellow, and like a baby blue, almost like a baby blue. So yes, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 layers, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yes, it's 6 layers to this flower. And I'm going to take the package out so you can see without the glare. Again, I'm sorry, but the lighting without the lighting um, uh, is not good without the light, guys. So let me hopefully see the detail of the flower. That is so pretty. So that's for those flowers here. Next is her cards. So I want to, it's in this sleeve, so I'm going to take them out. So you all can see. Okay, this is our first card. This is an A2 card. It says thanks. And you have two heart doilies. Well, stitch hearts dies that she used. I love this paper. And she added one of those flowers that she made. And she put it on here. She added this blue gem in the middle. It's cute. She die cut this flourish right here, and she added. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. And it's matted with white on the inside, and it comes with your envelope. Okay, and this one also matted is white on the inside, and this is a gosh, I forgot the name of this stamp. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm having a brain fart, so I cannot remember the stamp. But if I do, I'll put it down in the description box. And then she cut her out 2 times, and then she has this gold shadow effect, and then she colored her, and she looks so cute. She looks so cute with the uh, gray boots, and then the green and the pale blush kind of color there. And it says thanks for all you do. And she just took, I think she just took a marker and she just went around it. It gave that gold edge. And she added this die cut that says thanks. Okay, for her other set of cards. Excuse me, guys. Take that out now. She made 3x3s. And this one says, hello, lovely. That's cute with the house. And then this person here that she popped this on foam dots here. She colored her in. You can see she's in her scrubs. She's a nurse, or she could be a doctor. And then she's in yellow and green. I love her hair though. Love the paper. So again, she's the regular size envelope, and it's not matted on the inside. So the last one, it says, hello, you rock. That is so cute. And another doctor or nurse. And this time she wearing green. She is so cute. Thank you, Faresha. And last but not least, she added some extra flowers. I love this. I love this flower, and I love the gold. I love all of them, but the sparkle, I love sparkle. So, thank you so much, Faresha, for the, excuse me, for the lovely gifts. Thank you for joining Crafty Manipulators' first collaboration swap. Thank you all for watching. And if you haven't, come on over and check out Crafty Manipulators. We have just completed our last swap of the year, guys. And it was our Blue Christmas. It was hosted by Tierra Divine here on YouTube. But we do have another challenge going on, so I will hope you come on over, join if you want to have some fun. We have new swaps and new ideas for 2019, so be on the lookout. In January there will be a collaboration. Not only a collaboration, but there will also be a swap in January, a collaboration swap and a swap. So you have two swaps in January that you can join. And until next time, and again, we always have our pin try every other Wednesday or Thursday. So we're having fun over there, guys. Come and join us. And until next time, y'all take care. Be blessed. And again, Faresha, thank you so very much. Later. Bye.